Hey there, welcome back to the Planet V. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to Nusa Penida, just a 45-minute fast boat ride away from mainland Bali. Get ready to join us as we dive into some of the adventures this island has to offer. During our stay, we checked into the Uncle Villas, nestled on the eastern side of the island. The staff greeted us with warm smiles, and the villas themselves were quite cozy. While there were a few signs of wear and tear, it didn't bother us much. So, this is our accommodation here in Nusa Penida, which is the Uncle Resort. We were expecting a villa which is in front of the pool, but it's actually not bad. It's quite private. So the villa there, no one's staying. On the left, there's no guests. And they gave us a complimentary welcome fruit, mixed fruit, together with welcome drink from the reception area.
But you know, the problem is that we don't know where we're gonna sleep because there's already someone sleeping in our bed. That's a bird. Swan. Hey, go home, go to the sea. Go away.
After checking in, we'll go to the restaurant, the Lido restaurant, which will open today. They said that we have to go there because they will offer free drinks and free canapé. Just a heads up, the water in the shower has a slight salty taste, but fear not, they've got plenty of bottled water on hand for your convenience. Our primary aim for visiting this island was to explore Kelingking Beach and other key destinations due to our limited time. To make the most of our visit, we arranged for a driver through Klook at an incredibly affordable rate of approximately 30 euros, covering both the east and west sides of Penida. Despite the language barrier, our driver was incredibly friendly and provided us with valuable tips for each location. He even shared his contact information, so if you're in need of a reliable and friendly driver in Nusa Penida, feel free to reach out in the comment section below. And so, without further ado, let's embark on our journey, starting with our first stop, the Broken Beach, where Mother Nature decided to get a little creative. This unique natural wonder features a stunning circular rock formation surrounding a turquoise pool of water. So when you visit the Broken Beach, guys, there will be a lot of areas where there will be a lot of tourists, but you just have to find a nice place where
Just go a little bit on the side because it looks like it's already. They make 20 steps and then the picture.
Yes.
So make 30 steps and you will be almost alone.
A little bit farther. We're alone here, and that's a view. Here, no tourists. It's more peaceful. We'll go to the other side where there is a bridge-looking area. That is like the one in Malta, I think now.
The one who's collapsed.
Yeah. The broken part of Broken Beach comes from the archway that connects the pool to the open sea, giving it an otherworldly vibe. Make sure to bring your camera for some Insta-worthy shots. Pro tip, watch your step and stay away from the edges of the cliffs for safety. Just a stone's throw away from Broken Beach lies Angel's Billabong, a natural infinity pool boasting crystal clear waters and stunning vistas of the ocean beyond. Upon our arrival in the area, we made a conscious decision to bypass this attraction and head straight to Broken Beach, as Angel's Billabong tends to draw large crowds. However, if you manage to find a secluded spot, it's truly a gem worth exploring. Here's a fun fact. The water in Angel's Billabong undergoes natural filtration by the surrounding rocks, resulting in one of the clearest and purest pools you'll ever have the pleasure of dipping into. For the optimal experience, we recommend visiting during low tide. Just remember to watch out for sharp rocks lurking beneath the surface and always exercise caution while swimming. The next stop that truly had us buzzing with excitement is none other than Kelingking Beach, affectionately known as T-Rex Beach. This iconic destination is famous for its towering cliffs that strikingly resemble the shape of a Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's widely recognized that Kelingking Beach boasts some of the most awe-inspiring panoramic views across Nusa Penida. However, it's crucial to exercise caution, particularly during the challenging descent to the beach. Be sure to gear up with sturdy footwear, lots of sunblock, and bring along plenty of water to conquer this adventure. During our visit, we embarked on the hike wearing only slippers. However, halfway through, I found myself on the brink of exhaustion due to the scorching sun and steep steps.
No, I will not go down. I'm not physically prepared for this.
Ultimately, I decided to turn back. Meanwhile, Valdez continued to descend to experience the beach. Upon his return, he shared that it was fortunate I didn't proceed further as he wouldn't attempt it again. Additionally, be aware that there's a vendor selling drinks on the beach, of course, at a steep price. Check out these snapshots from his time at the beach.
Oh la la, this was a climb. But look at the beach, waves, amazing. That's this beautiful and famous peninsula. And then to get here, all this way up there, and then still the same high somewhere up. It's crazy.
Yes, of course. After how many? 1 hour and a half?
Because down there, there's almost no steps, like climbing.
Oh, really?
Our final stop led us to Diamond Beach, where the sands shimmer like precious jewels. This enchanting treasure of Nusa Penida boasts pristine white sands, towering cliffs, and waters so clear they're practically transparent. Fun fact: Diamond Beach derives its name from the dazzling effect the sunlight casts on its sands, creating a magical sparkle. It's the perfect haven for sunbathing, swimming, or snorkeling amidst vibrant marine life. However, take care when descending the steep stairs to the beach and plan your visit to avoid high tide for a safe and delightful experience. After our adventure at Kelingking Beach left us feeling a bit worn out, we opted to simply capture some breathtaking photos and soak in the panoramic views of Diamond Beach and the neighboring Atu Beach. It was the perfect way to unwind and appreciate the natural beauty surrounding us. Thanks for tagging along on our Nusa Penida adventure. What's your take on the island? We personally feel blessed to have spent 2 nights here. It's like stepping into a whole new world compared to mainland Bali. If you're vibing with this trip as much as we are, give us a thumbs up. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more journeys with the Planet V. Take care and see you again soon.